Okay guys, it is another opportunity for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and of course we will be checking it out again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out one after the other, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, but got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it went back into an uptrend and it bought for a very long time. It has gotten to this resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will come back on downtrend. Okay, so this is still buying, even though it might not be for a very long time, in case it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. Okay, next asset will be boom 500. This is boom 500. It had been on downtrend, got to this region, had a pullback. If it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then it will come down again to try out this support zone, and of course if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's see if it will break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, next asset should be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000. It has been on a very strong downtrend right from this resistance zone. It kept on selling and selling, and of course it is at this support zone. If it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend. This is very important. Selling at the moment might not be for long. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, now let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It was on downtrend before, but right now it got to this support zone and it started buying, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset will be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on uptrend for a very long time. It got to this resistance and it has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend. Okay, but we need it to break out below this. Okay, once it goes below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, and of course for those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, and of course make sure you understand every strategies shared in my videos. Practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.